Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Emily. I do beauty content here on YouTube. Today I have done this look with the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. It's a fast forward non-talking video though. I'm not sure if you want to see that, but I don't have the time to film anything else. I don't know if I've filmed with this on my channel before, but I do really like it. In this video I used Sweet, and then I used Keeper, and then I used the darker one, and the shimmer on my lid is Honey. I'm not showing you that in the video. Anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, then just please keep watching. So this was it. I'm not doing lips because I'm going to go and brush my teeth. Thank you so much for watching this fast forward silent tutorial, or whatever you want to call it, and until I make another one, you guys please take care. Bye.